What's up, everybody? whydavis here, back with another review slash talk. And I'm telling you guys, these are still going to be hard to get no matter the stock numbers. It could be a million pairs of these and people are still going to want them like crazy. Now, with that being said, man, I have looked at the market again today and it is still staying the same. It is going to be a lot of pairs out there, but you have to put the work in. A lot of you guys were commenting on the video yesterday saying that this shoe is going to be easy to get and I'm gonna be able to, just do this and that. And I'm telling you guys, this shoe is one of the best Air Jordan 4s to ever come out. A lot of people want these, a lot of older people want these, a lot of resellers want these, everybody want these, all right? So that means if somebody has the opportunity to get multiple, if they can, they will. They're not gonna be waiting for you to wake up if you don't put the work in. You're gonna have to put the work in to get these shoes. It's gonna be easy if you put the work in. It's gonna be hard if you just think you're gonna be able to hit on the sneakers app and then miss out and then try to run to the mall after that. It's gonna be over already. It's gonna be a line to the back of, I don't even know what. It's gonna be lines everywhere for this shoe, guys. I'm telling you guys, it's gonna be lines everywhere for this shoe. Even though it's rumored to be a lot of pairs, these shoes are still going for $3 and some change at the moment today. And today is Tuesday. It just finished off with the JD Raffle. And even on the raffle of JD or Finish Line, whichever one you have in your area, when I go on the app, it is still, I think, a size 4 and a size 5 is left on the app right now. And it is 11:50 in the morning. And that was pretty much over around 9 or 10. Now the app is glitching out on both sites, Finish Line and JD, because I just got done trying it again. But you still can, basically get there if you know how to tap the button really, really fast. If you tap the icon really fast where the Air Jordan 4 is, when you go to your status, all the way at the bottom of the page, you tap it real fast, it will just jump to the page. But if you try to scroll up, the app is gonna glitch out. So I'm telling you guys, these are still going to be hard to get. Even though the app still showing that there is pairs on there, these are gonna be staying put at around $280 to $300 in my opinion. I don't see it going under retail at all. I do probably see it going to like $250 maybe day of or night before. But I'm telling you guys, the day of, man, when these shoes hit the market and when everybody has so many pairs, I'm telling you, man, it's gonna be, it might go back up. It might go back up. I'm not a mind reader here, but once again, man, this is the shoe. Just to show you guys again, look at this bad boy, man. This is a hot shoe. A lot of people, also myself, have noticed that the laces on these aren't as pure white. These will get yellow really, really fast, especially in the cage area. But I've noticed that too, like on the laces here, it's not like a pure white lace. It kind of does look like a dirty lace if you're just looking at it. It's not like a pure, like smoking, like an Air Force One type of white lace on these. I don't know if you guys have noticed that, but I'm telling you, man, these shoes are gonna be super duper wanted in a lot of people's eyes. You know what I'm saying? If there's 500,000 pairs out, millions of people want these, man. Millions of people want these. I don't care what anybody is telling you. A lot of people want these shoes. They're trying to convince you that it's gonna be a lot of pairs out there so you can miss out and they can get more for themselves. I'm telling you, man. Nobody specifically, I'm just telling you, whoever is trying to say like, man, it's gonna be easy to get, whatever the case is, just don't listen, man. Just don't listen. This shoe is gonna be hard to get if you do not put the footwork in. All right, I'm not talking about anybody specific. I'm just saying, if there's somebody telling you that this shoe is gonna be easy to get, it is not. You're gonna have to put the work in to get this shoe. This is one of the most popular Air Jordan 4s to ever come out. This shoe is in iconic movies. This shoe is it right here. This is possibly the sneaker of the year in a lot of people's eyes. And I'm telling you guys, man, when you guys are reading my comments, do not listen to these people saying this shoe is gonna be easy to get. I'm telling you, they're just trying to make you not go out there so they can probably get a pair for themselves. I'm telling you guys, trust me. Yo, since y'all can tell so much about stock numbers and know like this shoe is gonna be this, that, and the third, give me the damn lottery numbers, man, so I can hit the lottery, man. Give me those numbers. So you know the stock numbers on the Jordan market. Give me the damn lottery numbers so I could be a trillionaire, man. Let me know so I can play it a million times. Cause this shoe is gonna be hard to get. I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you. Similar to how, think about how the Jordan 11s is around Christmas. Everybody, has to find that last minute gift. Everybody, is gonna be wanting something to get that they know their person will like. And that shoe has a lot of stock when it does come out around holidays. Now, it doesn't sell out exactly when the store opens, like 11, 12, 1 o'clock. Sometimes it can go until the night of, right before closing, or even the next morning. You might get lucky and be able to get a pair. But after that, it's like, it's a little bit scarce, and then that price starts going up. So think about that with this shoe. If it's going to be a lot of numbers out there, stock numbers wise, it's still going to be hard to get. All right. Now, if you don't get it within the first 24 hours or after 5 o'clock at Foot Locker, which I'm pretty sure they will be doing. I did recently see that they were doing a raffle at Foot Locker. So they were trying to change it up and do like first come, first serve. But for a shoe like this, they did do raffles. If you guys don't hit on raffles and don't hit when you guys go outside, definitely at 5 p.m. go outside to Foot Locker. They will have pairs, unreserved pairs. Not unreserved, because unreserved pairs will be done in the morning time, right before, you know, the madness starts and everything like that, where people are picking up their pairs at other stores. So go at 5 p.m. at Foot Locker. They will have pairs that people didn't claim and whatnot. That's a time limit, time frame that they have to come pick up their shoes before they become collectible for us. Trust me on this. This shoe is not going to be easy to get if you do not put the work in for it. If you put the work in for it, yes, you have a very good chance of getting this shoe. But if you don't put the work in for it, it is not going to be easy to get this shoe. I do not see this shoe going under retail, man. I don't see it. If it does go under retail, we are definitely in a recession, and I don't know what's gonna happen in the sneaker world, the sneaker market. But I'm telling you guys, this shoe is it right here. This is the spring and summer shoe that everybody is hunting for. We don't really have too many shoes coming up other than the Kobe's that we just got, you know, uploaded to the sneakers app. I don't think those 3s are going to do anything because they're already going for like 150, 160, the rare airs, which is really nice in my opinion. But a lot of people aren't hunting for those. They'd rather get the 4s. I just think this shoe is really, you know, going to be that metallic 5 of the summer in my opinion. So really get outside and try to get these, man. This is one of the best shoes to ever drop by Jordan Brand. Also, the sizing on these, all right? So for sizing, I would say go up half a size, man. Air Jordan 4s do run small in my opinion, man, especially on the outside and the inside of the toe box. You know, I have a problem with width. I don't really have a problem with length, and I think that's a lot of people, especially when you go up a size, you will still have that length, but width-wise, it will just do like a little bit of fixing. But personally, guys, I would say go up half a size on these minimum. I wouldn't say go true to size on these, but to each his own. You know what I mean? Y'all like having them ugly feet, corns in your feet. I like getting my feet rubbed. You know what I'm saying? So everybody got different opinions on this, but I would say go up half a size. You know what I'm saying? That's just my preference, though. Everybody has a different preference, but I would say go up at least a half size on these. Don't go true to size on these, but I love the way these look, man. I love the way these look and feel on feet. So I'm gonna be wearing these on release day when I show you guys the whole pickup vlog and everything like that. But once again, I'm telling you guys, the price right now is still going for like $280, $300 after taxes and fees and whatnot. And all resellers right now are wanting $320. I've seen the highest. So, you know, when a reseller is selling something for that low, the market isn't really there. You know what I'm saying? But come release day, we've seen this a million times. Nobody wants to shoe before release day. Then on release day, the prices shoots up. On the metallic 5, nobody was wanting it at first. Then it became so limited. It started at $250, went to $280, went to $300, almost at $450. You know what I'm saying? So it's up there with the Bike Air. You know what I'm saying? I was saying this when this shoe came out, man. That shoe was so dope. Like, that shoe was so dope with the 3M hits on the back. I mean, I don't see how that shoe is not in the top 5 of the year, especially what it did for the community. Reselling wise, you know, people wise, like if a shoe is reselling, like I know a lot of people give slack to resellers and whatnot, but when a shoe is reselling and everybody is at one location, they're not only at that location, they're at the store that's next to the location. The people that's outside are wondering what's happening. They're trying to figure out if they should come over. Like when people see a big crowd waiting for something, everybody's nosy. When people see a big crowd waiting for something, they all want to get in line and see what's going on. I think I seen a video on YouTube or Instagram like a few years ago. People just started lining up and they just kept telling other people to line up behind them, and then other people just kept lining up behind them, and then there was nothing to get in the front of the line. So once the first person left, and then it was a trickle effect, everybody was like, what the hell? And then I'm telling you guys, get this shoe, man. Get this shoe. I'm telling you, man. This is one of the best shoes that ever dropped by Jordan Brand. You don't want to miss out on this one. I know FOMO is real and whatnot, but I think if you was to get this shoe and experience like how you got it, it will make a memory in your head. Like, man, I remember when that shoe came out. When it does come out next time, you'll be grateful if you talk in the line, meet a new friend. I'm telling you guys, it's a good experience, man. It's a real vibe out there. So depending on where you are, things can get a little bit hectic. So I respect you if you don't want to get it and got it early and just want to get out the way of it. But I'm talking about for the people that, don't really want to do all that and just spend what it costs. You know what I'm saying? Just have a good time out there and be safe out there as well. If you guys are going to be trying to go get these, because there's going to be a lot of people outside, man. It's going to be a lot of people outside for these. The weather is starting to break. It was kind of cold today though, but that's going to end it for this video, man. I just want to say thank you guys for the support. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, show your boy some love, and stay tuned.